Video number 203, using a summation or a series. High school students, if you're watching this video, order a copy of the book Steamroll so you can start steamrolling in your algebra classes. Read the book, read the sections that your teacher's about ready to teach. Bam! Everyone's going to think you're the smartest kid in the class. Here we go. A summation is just like a series, and a series is basically the sum of a sequence. So here is a typical sequence right here. We have a sub n equal 1, 4, 9. That's obviously the perfect squares. S sub n would be to put a plus sign between each of the terms of a sequence. You have a sequence, plus signs, series. Very simple. This is another way to express the same thing. Add the first 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms of the squares. Find the sum of the first perfect squares, okay? And of course you get 55. That is a summation. This is the symbol sigma. Here's another one. Evaluate. This expression means to take this algebraic expression, take the first 6 terms, so in other words, plug 1 in for k, then plug 2 in for k, find out what that is, plug 3 in for k, all the way till you get up to 6. Add those terms together. So when you plug a 1 in for k, you get 5 minus 1. So that's obviously going to be 4. Plug 2 in for k, 10 minus 4, that's 6. Plug 3 in for k, 15 minus 9, that's also another 6. Okay, then you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 6 terms together. Bam, 14. As it turns out, the last term is negative, and that will definitely happen here because squaring a number is more powerful than multiplying it by 5. So there you have another example of a series. Here's one for you. This one's kind of cool because there's a couple ways to do this. First thing you can do, first of all, is you could plug in just terms 4 through 7. And I'm going to go through this algebraic situation here just to show students how you may be able to figure this out a little bit easier. But there is something you can do, right? First of all, you're going to add terms 4 through 7. So plug a 4 in for n, plug a 5 in for n, plug a 6 in for n, plug a 7 in for n, and you're all done. Okay? But I just want to go through the algebra, even though it's rather unnecessary for this problem. I just want you to see the logic. Adding terms 4 through 7 would be the same as adding terms 1 through 7 and then subtracting out what? The first 3 terms. Okay, so this is something a little rather unnecessary perhaps for this problem, but I just definitely wanted to go through this so you can see the logic because it may come in handy in some problems that you may be working on in your pre-calculus class. Okay, as you see, we're going to subtract out those first 3 terms each time, so we're just going to be left with 4 through 7 plus 4 times 4 through 7. So the sum of these 4 cubes plus 4 times the sum of those right there, so you get 784 plus 88, which is 836. All right, questions or concerns? Good times. Talk to you later.